Good Saturday morning. You're just in time for our tropical update at just about 10 before the top of the hour. Our hurricane expert, Dr. Steve Lyons, watching the clouds swirling out there over the Atlantic Ocean. But Steve, it looks like nothing really all that organized.
Not yet, but it is September and we're looking at one low pressure center in the central Atlantic that could become a tropical depression soon. All right, let's start out in the Gulf of Mexico, where we can say it's very quiet with upper level winds too fast for development. An upper level low is moving toward Honduras and Nicaragua. That'll spread some showers into Belize over the next couple of days, but these showers are not going to develop into a tropical cyclone. Hey, what's that north of the Bahamas? That's Fred, the circulation that won't die, at least the remnant of Fred. The low pressure center, at least in the middle layers, is right up here. Showers are on the south side. There's still some potential for this to develop, and we'll continue to monitor it. It's moving very, very slowly right now toward the west, not going to affect the Bahamas right now, and not moving in any fast motion toward the United States. So we'll keep an eye on it. There's still some potential it could become a tropical depression once again. Keep in mind, it was 1955 when we had a landfalling Category 3 Ione on this date. It was a bad year in 55. They had it already, a Category 1 and a Category 3 in North Carolina. All right, let's go out to the Atlantic where a more imminent tropical cyclone development potential is there. This low pressure center, we just got to pass from our quick scatterometer, which measures the surface winds. It's an elongated, sort of egg-shaped low pressure center. We expect it to move toward the west and then northwest, north of the Antilles. So if you're heading that way, right now we don't see an imminent threat from this one. But the interesting thing is the mid-level, upper-level circulation is over here. The elongated egg-shaped circulation of the low pressure at the surface is over here. But there are thunderstorms co-located, so the potential for the tropical depression forming is pretty good actually over the next few days as it lifts to the west-northwest and then northwest and then north of the Antilles. Tropical depression, Marty, in eastern Pacific, still some high clouds over Baja. It's dissipating and it'll dissipate in place there. We're still monitoring a weak low pressure area at the surface that could become a tropical depression here as it moves to the north. It's going to bring some showers and clouds to southern Baja over the next 24 hours, but no imminent threat there. In the meantime, Japan, stay out of the water, high surf there from a typhoon that's moving to the south.